InDesign has a great feature, Package, but it packages the entire document. What if you only want some pages, or want them as separate packages? I made a script to help. Package Pages. I'll show the script in Windows. It works the same on Mac OS. I have a simple document to demonstrate. 16 pages and marked with page numbers to better show the results. Each page also has a different image to show those are packaged. To run this script, open the Scripts panel. I already have the script installed in InDesign. For help adding scripts to InDesign, see the link in the description for another video that shows the steps. In the list, select Package Pages. Double-click to run it. The first section is Package. The options are the same as Package in the File menu. Include IDML or PDF, if desired, the same as when packaging the entire document. The folder name for the package is the document name plus a suffix for the page numbers in each package. The second section is Options. Clear Pasteboard removes page items that are off the pages packaged. Keep Page Numbers makes the packaged pages keep their current page numbers. If disabled, the packaged pages start at 1. Numbering minimum digits controls how page labels are prefixed with zeros to become a minimum number of digits. Separator is any characters to insert between the document name and the page label. The default is a single underscore. The last section is Output. Click the button Folder to select the location where pages are packaged. Choose All Pages or one or more ranges of pages to package. Then select how many pages each package should contain. For single pages, enter 1, and each package contains 1 page. For pages considered front and back, for example, use 2 to keep the pages together, or enter any other value desired. If the last group of pages to package is less than the group value, the package contains the remaining pages. The second package choice is in Page Ranges. Instead of a set number of pages per package, this option creates packages to match each page range indicated in the ranges input. I'll keep page numbers and package in groups of 4. Click OK, and the script gets to work. When done, have a look at the result. 4 packages, pages 1 to 4, 5 to 8, 9 to 12, and 13 to 16. Because I enabled Keep Page Numbers, the page numbers haven't changed. Otherwise, each would start at page 1. Get the script at the link in the description. Like this video and subscribe. Also, leave a comment. All feedback is welcome. Click the video or playlist on screen for more. Thank you for watching.